Number 3, na tip. Please avoid using unhelpful coping strategies such as alcohol, cigarette smoking, or using drugs, all right, during this time. Because studies have shown that in the long term, these can all worsen your mental and physical well being. In fact, alcohol, what is the effect of alcohol in our brain? Alcohol, in fact, is a natural depressant. All right? Meron lang siyang effect na temporarily it can make you feel good. It can make you feel na parang you lose inhibition for a while. But again, the long-term effect is that in our brain, it's a natural depressant. So it can really affect our mood. And having said this, associated with this is do not depend on stimulants for you to be awake para matapos nyo lahat ng readings ninyo, all the reviewers. Please do not depend on stimulants. We know na in the long term, again, it's really not healthy and it can create more problems to your physical and mental well-being. So avoid it. Avoid stimulants like kasama na doon, no? Yung coffee, anything dark-colored, and the prohibited substances also. Please avoid it.